I hope you will live a safe life without suffering from this pandemic coronavirus infection. Or if someone is suffering from this, first of all, I wish them a speedy recovery. Today, through this video, I am going to tell you about some important points about pain or painful life. Because we have all experienced a lot of painful life or some kind of pain in our life. What do you really have understood about the pain you have experienced throughout your life so far? Have you already realized that there are two types of pain that we all experience in our lives? As human beings, we use two parts of real life to achieve success and happiness in our lives. What are the two parts you and I use? The physical part and the mental part. If these two parts are perfect, we have no pain. But the truth is that neither of these two parts can be perfect. So when we feel some pain, it means that our hopes are not as successful as we like. Because we do not think there is any pain in our physical body, or we do not think our expectation will not be fulfilled in our life. Therefore, it's better to understand these two parts in real time to minimize the pain in our life or prevent our pain. These parts of physical or mental do not differ for any religion, country, or anywhere you live. This is the truth. So the pain you have suffered in past, now being suffering, or in future you suffer include these two parts. In fact, if you do not know the physical or mental nature of humans about these two parts or the two parts of pain, you will suffer a lot from these two painful in physical pain and mental pain. If you do not know about these two pains, physical pain and mental pain in your life, because of one pain, you will have to suffer from these two pains. The most important thing or part to understand is the mental part. Your any types of physical or mental pain is under control as long as you understand the mental part. That's why I say it, if you have any physical pain, you will also be suffering from your mental part too. The truth is, only one part will suffer at that time. By not understanding your mental part, you also get your mental pain due to your physical pain. Then you have to experience two pains at once. If you control your mind to some extent, you can control your pain in some way. Therefore, in order to overcome any pain in your life, you need to understand your mental behavior. As long as you understand your mental behavior, you can also control your pain in some way. Because the strongest pain is not your physical pain. Mental pain is the most powerful pain you can experience. That is why many things like life ruin, murder, bad addiction, suicide, and misery or many things can cause due to uncontrollable mental anguish. So the important thing as human being is that we have to understand our mind somehow, and it's imperative to control our mind. To control your mind, you need to follow certain facts or seek advice from a competent counselor. Or you should read good articles on how the mind behaves through good web pages on the internet to understand the behavior of the mind. You can control your mind with those tips and the ideas that follow them. Or you can understand how your mind reacts to certain conditions of your pain. I will explain some simplest basic methods to overcome your pain. First, breathing exercises or mind relaxations. To manage and reduce your pain, do some breathing exercises or mind relaxation techniques. Second, forget your pain. At that time, forget about the pain and resume your normal activities. You need to consider your pain before doing this. If you have a severe painful physical problem, you will not be able to carry out your normal activities as usual. In that case, you should follow the advice of your counselor or doctor. Number 3, focus on other parts or activities. When there is physical pain in one part of your body, you can relieve your pain by focusing on the other parts of your body. Similarly, if you have a mental anguish about something in your mind, try to think of a few other thoughts to get rid of your painful thoughts. Okay, in this video I have explained the simple ways to relieve your pain. Depending on how deeply your mind understands and behaves your painful condition, whether physical or mental, will be somewhat relieved. So through this video, I think you have learned something helpful to your life to relieve some pains. In summary of this video, understanding your mind and the behavior pattern of your mind will help you a lot to live a happy life. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button and select all to activate notification as soon as my new video is released at once. And click the thumb up button to like this video and share this video with your friends or relatives. Write your thoughts or ideas about this video as a comment below. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Wishing you good health and happiness in life.